Altium vs Eagle for PBC layout. Basically, it all depends on your needs. If you don't need the advanced functionality that Altium offers, then you likely don't need to spend the money on it neither. And I don't mean calculations. Altium has a lot of functionality for dealing with very complex, multi-layer boards with high-speed circuitry, impedance-controlled traces, etc. Think a modern smartphone or a laptop level of complexity. Attempting to do something like that in Eagle would likely drive you nuts very quickly, if you even would be able to do it at all. The difference in price is completely irrelevant when it comes to such issues. If the cheaper tool can't do the job you need it to do, or the more expensive tool saves you a man-year or two of engineering time, then the cost of the tool doesn't matter. A vast part of an ECAD tool is the library. If your tool has a library that matches your need, that helps a lot. If Eagle fits your needs, consider KiCad, which was on par with Eagle a few years back, but since has surpassed it in my opinion. Altium seems to help a lot if you have a lot of RF or high-speed things going on, and $7K is peanuts compared to saving a month on a year's development. Eagle's two-way integration with Fusion 360 is pretty sweet, but Altium has the best interface I've ever seen and decent 3D integration. Finally, anyone with skill in Altium should be able to complete a simple project in it in half the time it would take a competent Eagle user to do it. Eagle was ruined by Autodesk in my opinion, and I really don't understand why anyone uses it anymore with KiCad existing. Basically, if you're doing any high-speed layout, high-density layout, or using more than 4 layers, I'd say go with Altium.